Hey, it's Eran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send large files online between two people. Now, the specific use case where I have needed to use this is when I am working with, say, a video editor, and I need to send them a bunch of video files for them to put together and edit that video and turn it into one complete video. I would use that software. It's called WeTransfer.com. Now, depending on the type of a video that I'm creating, I would actually just record the video on something like Tela.tv, which is my favorite video recording tool. And there's going to be a link somewhere below for you to check it out. If you go to eran.link/Tela, that particular software allows you to basically record your video and click a link and then share it, which is definitely a much easier way. So I don't use it so much in my video editing team, but previously when I didn't have Tela available, then I would use WeTransfer. Another use case is that when I work with clients and I build their website, sometimes I ask them, hey, provide me with a sales video, provide me with a thank you video, things along these lines, and they need to send it to me. Sometimes the video file is too big. It doesn't work on Google Drive because there's a limit. So therefore, WeTransfer.com is a great way to use to be able to transfer files. And you can do it in two ways. You can either send the file to their email, or you can convert that video into a link, which somebody can click and download straight to their computer. So I've asked my virtual assistant to actually record a tutorial on how to use WeTransfer over the shoulder. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to her to show you how it's done.
Hi everyone, Rose here. Here's how to send big files through WeTransfer.com. First, let's go to the website WeTransfer.com. You'll be prompted to try it for free or sign up for the WeTransfer Pro, which will let you send and receive up to 200 gigabyte 1 terabyte storage per person, and you can decide when transfer expires. You can also stick with the free version, which will let you send up to 2 gigabyte, and there's no need to verify transfers. Let's go ahead and try that. Click on sign up. Then you will be routed to this page where you can upload your files. Go ahead and upload files or select a folder. Click on upload. Then click on upload again to confirm the files you want to send. Next, enter the email address you want to send it to. Then your own email address, the title of your file transfer, and your message. Once you're done with these details, go ahead and click on the three dots here on the lower left, and it's either you send an email transfer or you can get a transfer link. So let's try the send email transfer. Go ahead and click on the transfer button right here at the bottom. It will now ask for you to confirm your email address, which you can find on your email account. Grab the code from your email and paste it here under the verification code. Click on the verify button. Now it'll transfer it. Now how about we try the option get a transfer link. Click on the three dots, click on get transfer link, and click on the get a link button. Now it'll show you again the percentage of the upload, and once that's done, we'll generate a link for you, which you can copy and paste on your email and send to the person you want to transfer the files to. And that's how you do it.
Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. Just as a point, this is a free software. There's zero need to actually pay anything. I've never paid a cent to WeTransfer, make money from ads and so on. So there's no need to pay for it. It's not a subscription or anything, not even a one-time payment. It's a great little tool, and I've definitely needed to use it. Another great use case that I thought of I wanted to share is sometimes you are recording things on your phone, and you might be using Android or you might be using some other phone. And what happens is you want to record your sales video, your thank you video, or your social media video on your phone, and then you want to transfer it to your computer. Now, because I'm using Apple, i.e. I have an iPhone and I also have a MacBook Pro, I can just use AirDrop. But if you're using Android or some other old computer or something like that, you might not have that option to AirDrop it. So what you can do is you can actually email yourself the video file using WeTransfer. So you would basically go to to your phone, open up Chrome, and type in WeTransfer.com on your phone, and then upload the video from your phone to your computer or to your phone, and then email to yourself, basically. And that's another way to actually make use of WeTransfer. So if you're actually doing things yourself, that's a great little use case. I obviously don't have that problem because I'm using an iPhone, But if you're using Android, something like that, you might have a problem. I'm not familiar with those tools, so I know that I've had some people who use old devices and they needed to do something like that. So it's another little use case I wanted to share. Anyway, I hope you got value from this little tutorial. If you did, please leave the word value. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I have a lot of other tutorials about different things like that. If you have another question for me, please leave a comment below with your question, and I'll be sure to either record a video or answer you right away. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, and I'll speak to you soon.